Look up at the night sky. The stars you see are our neighbours, familiar, comforting, and close. Even the furthest star you can see with your naked eye is just a tiny fraction of a step away in the cosmic ocean. But what happens if we leave our neighbourhood? What if we travel past our Milky Way, past the local group of galaxies, and plunge into the deepest, oldest parts of the universe? We find things that defy human logic. We find objects so massive, so violent, that physics itself begins to break down. This is TON 618. It is not just a black hole. It is an ultra-massive black hole, and it is the most terrifying entity ever discovered by humanity. In 1957, astronomers at the Tonantzintla Observatory in Mexico were mapping faint blue stars. They recorded object number 618. For decades, we thought it was just a normal hot star inside our own galaxy. We were completely, unimaginably wrong. By the 1970s, advanced spectroscopy revealed the horrifying truth. TON 618 wasn't inside our Milky Way. It wasn't even close. The light we were seeing had travelled for 10.4 billion years to reach our telescopes. Let that sink in. The universe itself is only 13.8 billion years old. When the light from TON 618 began its journey to Earth, our sun didn't exist. Our planet didn't exist. It is a ghost from the very dawn of time. How can we see something so far away? Because TON 618 is a quasar. The black hole at its center is feeding. Trillions of tons of gas, dust, and torn-apart stars are orbiting the black hole at nearly the speed of light. The friction in this accretion disk heats the matter to unimaginable temperatures. It creates a light so blinding, it shines with the absolute luminosity of 140 trillion suns. It is 46 billion times brighter than our entire Milky Way galaxy. Human brains are not wired to understand numbers this large. We have to visualize it. Let's look at our solar system. From the Sun to Neptune, it is a vast, cold distance of about 2.8 billion miles. Light itself takes over 4 hours to make that journey. Now, let's calculate the size of TON 618's event horizon, the boundary where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. The physics are governed by the Schwarzschild radius. To find the radius, we need the mass. TON 618 has an estimated mass of 66 billion solar masses, 66 billion times the weight of our Sun, crushed into a single singularity. If you placed the singularity of TON 618 where our Sun is, its event horizon would extend roughly 1,300 astronomical units. That means it would swallow our entire solar system and extend 40 times further out into deep space. It is a sphere of perfect darkness so large that light itself takes weeks to travel across it. But TON 618 presents a massive problem for modern physics, a paradox that scientists are still struggling to solve. Black holes grow by eating matter or by merging with other black holes. This takes time, billions of years of time. But remember, we are looking at TON 618 as it existed just 3.4 billion years after the Big Bang. According to our current understanding of physics, There simply wasn't enough time in the early universe for a black hole to get this big. It shouldn't exist. Was it born directly from the collapse of an unimaginably massive cloud of primordial dark matter? Did the early universe have different laws of physics? TON 618 is sitting in the dark, mocking our understanding of reality. In the far, distant future, trillions of years from now, the stars will burn out, the universe will go dark, and the only things left will be the monsters. TON 618 will outlive the galaxies. It will sit in the freezing void, silently waiting. We look at it through our screens, trying to understand it with our math. But out there, in the deep dark, it doesn't care. It is a titan of the early universe, the king of the void.